Hi, I am Torrina Longmire, and I'm a 40-year-old female. I'm from the United States. I learned about Avance Dental Care from a friend of mine who needed to have a major medical dental surgery done. He had mentioned that it's not only a place to come for dental, but also a place to come to see nature, the beauty of India, many beautiful attractions. I was interested, I was very interested. So I decided to be his travel companion, and that's basically how I was introduced to Avance. Well, as a travel companion, I was able to take care of a few dental medical procedures of my own that I didn't have the monetary supplement to do back in the States. So I figured as I was here with my companion, I would get those taken care of as well. It was shocking that I had a lot of tartar buildup, something that should have been taken care of. The last dentist that I seen in the States was very vague. So I decided, well, I'll get that taken care of. I had some restorations done with my teeth, some tartar buildup, some what may have been a cavity. Also, I had my teeth polished, and whitening was performed as well. And the crazy thing about it is, it was just a few $100. It was insanity. So I was super excited about that. I think I would not hesitate to recommend Avance Dental Care. It's been a great experience. I have seen many things, many great attractions. I spent a few days in Shimla. I stayed at the best hotels. I had drivers at my beck and call. All of this paid for. I'm super ecstatic, and I think I would recommend it to anyone who needs dental care and a little R&R. My experience was pretty great. Personally, if I could live down the road, I would. But, to be hesitant about the travel, everybody's going to have anxieties, but I'm really excited about my trip, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone that needs medical dental care. I'm really excited. I mean, I hugged her 5, 6 times. I guess if I could, I'm not used to the traffic. If I were to say something, the traffic is not something I'm used to, so blowing of the horns, that's something that somebody from the United States would have to get used to. Also, the fact that people are so very nice, it's hard to to get over that. A sincerity of really nice people that want to help, that will stop what they're doing during the day and come to your rescue if you need it. I mean, I went to the markets, and although they can be crowded, and I love marketing, I needed to ask a question, and got a little bit, they have sectors, and I wasn't used to sectors. I'm used to roads and lanes and highways, so I needed to stop and ask somebody, and he immediately, oh, you were a guest of India. So I had a really good experience.